Hello! This channel will help you to become more confident in architectural sketching. You will see many videos with tips with many different types of this very interesting and powerful, very powerful techniques. You'll be able to create your design using this powerful technique of sketching. Create them using many different simple materials that are always on your desk. I wanted to share with you my knowledges to help you improve your skills. I want to help you to become more productive in your designs, to make your process much easier and much quicker. I'm a practicing architect and designer. I'm an artist as well. I often create my design using this particular technique. It makes my process of designing much more interesting and much more quicker. Besides, in the description to this channel, you will see the list of the topics for the next videos that I plan to create for you. And if you want, you can choose the most interesting. You can subscribe and press the bell button. And of course, now it's time to check some of the existing videos. Nice to see you.